Yes. Happy evening, friends. Happy to see you here. In this program, we are going to focus on Speedmax. What do you mean? Kamilasan, you want to convey?
Yes, yeah, you can. No, you can start.
Yeah, fine. So before starting this program, I just want to tell you about what is about this course. Actually, this can be our 8th program, I can say. So even in this, particularly in this lockdown of last 1 month period, so it is going great. Even our participants who are attending our one batch are joining our next batch, next model or next concept also they are joining. Happy to have all you here, and I would like to uh, thank you all the person who are watching live in this program. And this is Tamila Karthik from Tamila Academy for Skill and Knowledge. We are in association with Chennai Event MSc, which is run by Tamila Resan and Nandini. Happy to have them here. And our trainer, Tangavel Raj sir, who is like ஒரு child, ஒரு குழந்தையே பாடம் நடத்துற மாதிரி அவரோட வாய்ஸ் அண்ட் அவரோட ஸ்மைல், அவரோட டோன் இருக்கும். எத்தனை தடவை கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டாலும் he'll be keep on answering. He'll be, even if you plan for 1 hour session, he'll be going like 2 hours, like that. The dedication he is giving. And this demo session we have planned just before 4 hours. That also, this much number of participants are with us. Happy to see you all. And இந்த ஸ்பீட்மேக்ஸ் இந்த கோர்ஸ் என்ன அப்படிங்கறத ஒரு ஷார்ட்டா சொல்லிடுறேன். நம்ம வந்து கால்குலேஷன் அப்படிங்கறத பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இப்ப நான் மொபைலே எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா, ஒரு ஸ்மால் கால்குலேஷன், லெட் மீ சே 8x7, அது கூட இப்ப இருக்க ஜென்ரேஷன், நாட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் மீ, எல்லாத்துக்குமே என்ன ஆயிருது அப்படின்னு, டக்குனு மொபைல் எடுக்கிறோம், கால்குலேட்டர் எடுக்கிறோம், இல்ல கம்ப்யூட்டர் எடுக்கிறோம், கண்ட்ரோல் R போட்டு CALC டைப் பண்றோம், இப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி மெத்தட்ல நம்ம போய்க்கு இருக்கோம். ஏன் அப்படின்னா, நம்மளோட எண்ணம் வந்து ஓகே நம்மகிட்ட தான் இது இருக்குல்ல அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு தாட்ல இருக்கிறோம். அப்படி இருக்கிறதுனாலயே இப்ப நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஐக்யூ லெவல் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப கம்மியாகிட்டு இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத நாங்க ரியலா சர்வேல பார்த்தோம். சோ நீங்க உங்களோட ஐக்யூ லெவல் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ், இட் இஸ் நாட் அ ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ் அப்படிங்கறத சொல்றத விட இட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த வே. நம்ம எப்படி அதை பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு வழியை வந்து நம்ம கத்து கொடுக்குறாங்க தங்கவேல் சார். யாரை பத்தி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, அவர் ப்ரோக்ராம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவரு மேக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்டே கிடையாது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஷாக்கிங் நியூஸை நம்ம மண்டலத்துக்கு கொண்டு போற முதல்ல நமக்கு தெரியும், ஆஹா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. அந்த அளவுக்கான ஒரு அற்புதமான கோர்ஸ் நமக்கு நாங்க ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் கோர்ஸ் வில் பி லான்ச்சிங் சூன். லைக் இந்த டெமோ செஷன் முடியும் போதுல இந்த கோர்ஸ் என்னைக்கு ஆரம்பிக்குது அப்படிங்கிற இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் நாங்க உங்களுக்கு கொடுப்போம். வித் திஸ் ஸ்மால் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், ஐ ஆஸ்க் Tamilarasan to share some few words before handing the session to the Tangavel sir.
Yes, thank you so much, Tamra Karthik, and welcome all the participants. இது எத்தனாவது பேட்ச் இருந்தாலும் சரி, some of you have been regularly coming. சில பேர் இந்த ஸ்பீட் மேக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டோன்னே, எஸ்பெஷலி ஸ்வஸ்திகா and lot more kids கேட்டோன்னே they come and join. ஏன்னா எவ்ரி டைம் they attend, they learn something new. என்னதான் ஏற்கனவே தெரிஞ்ச விஷயம் நம்ம திரும்ப செகண்ட் டைம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணாலும் we get to know something new again and again. So அந்த வகையில thanks to all the repeated participants and those who have joined new. Welcome you all to this new club. ஸ்பீட் மேக்ஸ்ல என்ன எதிர்பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னா, whether you are a school going student or whether you are a parent or whether you are into any other profession, it will definitely help you. As I always say, இது வந்து யூஸ்வலா மார்க்கெட் பண்ணும்போது we say that it's for 13+ years kids அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, பட் ஸ்வஸ்திகா பாத்தீங்கன்னா she is just 8 years. அவங்களோட ஃபீட்பேக் லாஸ்ட் டைம் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா, இது முடிச்சோன்னா I feel like I have gone to 6th standard அப்படின்ற மாதிரி she feels like she has grown up மாதிரி.
We can ask Swastika to share if she want to share now.
Yes, Swastika, you can share your feedback before I continue.
Unmute பண்ணுங்க.
Yes, I have unmuted.
No, so, sorry.
You can unmute yourself, Swastika.
Sir, it's so much fun to learn with Tangavel Raj sir, and he's teaching so well. I love learning maths.
Good to hear you.
Thank you.
ஒரு 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிற பொண்ணு எங்களுக்கு அன்னைக்கு சொன்ன வார்த்தை என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஒரு ட்ரெயினருக்கும் ஒரு ஆர்கனைசருக்கும் கிடைக்கக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய சந்தோஷம் இதுதான். நான் இப்ப 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிச்சிருக்கேன், சார் மேக்ஸுக்கு படிச்சனையே இன்னைக்கு நைட் எனக்கு எப்படி ஃபீல் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா, டக்கு நான் 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் போன மாதிரி தோணுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தாங்க. அதெல்லாம் நான் இந்த காதுல தேன் வந்து பாயுதுல போல் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு எங்களுக்கு. ஹாப்பி ஸ்வஸ்திகா. அண்ட் we have other participants. நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறவங்க ஏற்கனவே எங்க மாடல் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணவங்களே வந்திருக்காங்க. ஏன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டா, சார் ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் சார் எப்போ வந்தாலும் புதுசு புதுசா தான் சொல்றாரு. he is not at all repeating anything. So அதனால I don't want to miss even though it is a first demo அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வந்திருக்காங்க நிறைய பேர். வெல்கம் யூ ஆல். எஸ் தமிழ்.
அண்ட் எஸ் லைக் எப்படி ஸ்வஸ்திகா மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தையும் அண்ட் சார்ட்டர்ட் அக்கௌண்டன்ட் இல்ல ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல்ஸ் அத மாதிரி பர்சன்ஸும் தேர் ஆல்சோ கமிங் அண்ட் அட்டெண்டிங். அண்ட் இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஐ அம் an event anchor. நானும் நந்தினியும் நாங்க இங்க கத்துக்கிற விஷயம் கூட 1 or 2 things we can use it in our events. குழந்தைங்க வந்து இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண முடியும். இது மாதிரி சில விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we can also induce interest in them. So இது மாதிரி வந்து any age category that will be applicable for you. பட் ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன டிஸ்க்ளைமர், சின்ன பசங்க ஒரு 8 years 7 years வரும்போது பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நான் கொடுக்குற டிப்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, don't force them to learn the entire thing, whether it's a demo session இருந்தாலும் சரி ஆக்சுவல் கோர்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் சரி. அவங்களுக்கு சில விஷயங்கள் புரியல, ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. எது புரியுதோ let them understand it. புரியாத விஷயங்கள் அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் வளர வளர புரியும். ஏன்னா சில கான்செப்ட்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எஸ்பெஷலி ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் ஆர் கியூப்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் நம்ம எடுக்கும்போது குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஸ்கூல்லேயே அது கிடையாது ஆஸ் ஆஃப் நவ் அவங்களோட ஏஜ்க்கு. அப்போ அந்த கான்செப்ட் வரும்போது they can just relax. அதனால வந்து ஈவன் பெரியவங்களுக்கும் சரி ஏதாவது ஒரு கான்செப்ட் புரியல அப்படின்னா அதுல போயிட்டு ரொம்ப நம்ம வந்து டிக் பண்ணாம அதை நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. செஷன் முடிச்சோன்னு யூ கேன் ட்ரை ஒர்க்கிங் ஆன் யுவர் செல்ஃப். ஒரு 2-3 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சம் போட்டு பாருங்க. அப்பவும் புரியல யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் த ட்ரெய்னர் இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப். ஸோ இது மாதிரியான ஒரு சின்ன டிஸ்க்ளைமர்ஸ். அதே மாதிரி சார் செஷன் எடுக்கும்போது ஆல்வேஸ் என்னோட சஜஷன் என்னன்னா, கிட்ஸ் அவர் பேசும்போது அவர் பேசுறதை கவனிங்க. நீங்க பேரலா சைட்ல சேட் பண்ணாதீங்க. பேரலா உடனே இங்க யாரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் சொல்றான்ற காம்படிஷன் இது கிடையாது. இட்ஸ் பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் தி ட்ரைனிங் இஸ் டு மேக் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். இங்க யாருமே ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் யார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிசைட் பண்ற காம்படிஷனே கிடையாது. எல்லாருக்குமே புரியணும். அப்போ அவர் வந்து செஷன் எடுக்கும்போது நீங்க பேரலா சேட் பண்ணினா என்ன ஆகும்னா, நிறைய பேர் உங்களோட சேட்டை பார்த்து டிவேட் ஆவாங்க. நீங்க டக்கு டக்குன்னு ஆன்சர் போடும்போது அதை பார்த்துட்டு இது ஆன்சர் சொல்லி டிவேட் ஆகும். இதெல்லாம் பண்ணாம சார் சொல்லும்போது கவனிச்சுட்டு எப்போ ஒரு ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஓப்பன் ஃபார் ஆன்சர் சொல்றாரோ அப்போ உங்களோட ஆன்சர் போடுங்க. அதே மாதிரி ஒரு சம் எடுக்கும் போதே நம்ம மைண்ட்ல உடனே இம்மீடியட்டா என்னன்னா, ஓகே அப்ப இந்த சம் வேற விதமா போடலாமா, எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2+2 அப்படின்னு சொல்றாருன்னா அப்போ வந்து நம்ம 3+3 பண்ணக்கூடாதா அப்படின்னு மைண்ட்ல ஓடும். அப்போ உடனே இல்ல ஈவன் நம்பர் எடுக்கும்போது நம்ம ஏன் ஆட் நம்பர் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு ஓடும். அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, அவர் 2-3 விஷயங்கள் எடுக்கிறவங்க வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க யூ ஹேவ் டு வெயிட் ஃபார் 2-3 மாடல்ஸ் அண்ட் தென் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் யுவர் கொஸ்டின். பிகாஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டைம் நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம brought up ஆயிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டா நம்ம அறிவாளி அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நிறைய இடத்துல நம்ம நினைப்பாங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா, ஒரு சம் போடும்போதே நம்ம என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we think it instead of trying to understand that sum. So அந்த ஒரு attitude விட்டு that's my sincere advice for all the students. கொஸ்டின் மட்டுமே கேட்கணுன்றதை தாண்டி ட்ரை டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தி ப்ராப்ளம். அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஆஸ்க் யுவர் கொஸ்டின். சார் ஒரு 2-3 பேட்டர்ன் எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா, ஸோ வித்வுட் எனி ஃபர்தர் டிலே லெட் மீ ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் டு வெரி டவுன் டு earth, வெரி ஜோவியல், எவர் ஸ்மைலிங் அண்ட் சார்மிங் சார் மிஸ்டர் தங்கவேல் சார். குழந்தைங்க எத்தனை தடவை டவுட் கேட்டாலும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவாரு. பட் எனக்கு என்ன வருதுன்னா, சில குழந்தைங்க வந்து அவங்க கரெக்டா ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணாம டவுட் கேட்கறாங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது அவங்க கிட்ட நம்ம டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். மற்ற குழந்தைங்களோட டைம் வந்து வேஸ்டா போகுது அப்படின்னும் போது தட் இஸ் அட்வைஸ் ஐ எம் கிவிங் டு ஆல் தி கிட்ஸ். So let's respect Sar's time and also the respect other people's time also who have joined the live. So அப்ப நம்ம கேட்கக்கூடிய questions குவாலிட்டியான கொஸ்டின். அதுக்காக நீங்க கொஸ்டினே கேட்க கூடாது நான் சொல்லல. நீங்க வெயிட் பண்ணி அவர் ஃபுல்லா முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஆஸ்க் யுவர் கொஸ்டின். That would be my piece of advice. So over to Thangavel Raj sir. நீங்க குழந்தைங்களா? Yes sir. Tamra bro, you can share your.
Yes, and one more thing. We are planning for a lot of session in this upcoming June month also. And one more thing which we are committed to something with not only we means myself, Kamala Karthik, Kamala Nandini, Thangavel sir, all of us. Even if there are only 10 participants, we will not be skipping the program. We will not be skipping the program. We will not be postponing the program. The time which we committed, we will be on time. That I want to make sure of all our program. So with this information, the floor is now officially handed over to the Thangavel Raj sir, the trainer of today, the hero of today. And as participants also watching online, this will be helpful for them to join in our next program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I take this. So very good evening, my dear friends. So all of you might be excited to attend this program. This is a wonderful program actually. I told many times that I have learned it from my father when I was studying 5th standard. So this is a great program because you are in different stages. For example, if students like Swastika, they might be struggling in tables. For example, they will be very good at mathematics, but they will be a little bit struggling to recall tables. And somebody, they will be very good at mathematics, but they will be very slow. They are all very strong in mathematics, but they will be very slow where they cannot compete with other students in any competitive exams like Olympiad. I think this is the second point I would like to express. And the third point is some of you may be going for JEE or NEET, right? So there in physics and chemistry and in JEEE, there are a lot of mathematical calculations where they will not give you any calculator, and you have to go for your mental calculator, which is your brain. So your mental calculator should be faster than the calculator so that you can calculate it very well. So this is the third important point I would like to share. And the fourth people I would like to categorize here is the people who are going for competitive exams like NIFT. Somebody might be studying +1 or somebody might be studying +2. They will be preparing for exams like NIFT, and they will be preparing for a lot of competitive exams. In all the competitive exams, this is coming. And for the job aspirants who are going for placements in the college rounds, as well as who are trying outside, they have to attend. Anyway, they have to attend as an entrance, they have to attend aptitude. So in aptitude, certainly quantitative aptitude will be there, and it will be an entrance program for you. So everything is to be completed on time. That's the thing. You have to complete it on the time. So it is very difficult for the students to crack a large sum within 1 minute. That is very difficult for them. But after attending this program, you will gain confidence. You will somebody might be now hating that mathematics, sir. Why this maths is like this? Like they may be asking, but after attending this program, they will feel that maths is very easy. I can learn mathematics. Maths is very funny, like that they can feel. So this is the feeling which we would like to give to the students. We want to get rid of the fear of thinking about the mathematics. So this is all about this program. And the final categorization is some of the parents are attending this program. They can help their children. They can find out what is the difficulty in their children. For example, if some of the students are struggling in squares or cubes, this is an extended program actually. We are going to teach you even a 3-digit square can be done within 5 seconds. Even a 4-digit square can be done within 8 to 9 seconds. So this is possible only because of the techniques which we are going to teach you. Today, it is in a demo program that itself will be containing a lot of information. So listen carefully, and at the end of the session, we will be waiting for your feedback as well as your questions. Now, as an icebreaker, I would like to start from the 9th table. So all of you now, what you have to do, all of you please keep your hands like this. You are going to start from the 9th table. So 9th table is in your hands itself. Hands itself, not you don't need to write, take a pen. Most of the sums which you are going to calculate today, we are not going to take even a pen. We are going to solve it mentally. Okay. Now all of you, please take, please keep your hands like this. Friends, please listen carefully what I'm saying. Your left side thumb finger is 1. Your left side thumb finger is 1, and count and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your right side thumb finger will become 10, and your left side thumb finger will become 1. So this is how we are going to deal with this one. Now, for example, if you want 9 into 2, I'm going from the base to the difficult one. Now I'm going for 9 into 2. For example, 9 twos are. If you want 9 twos are, you have to fold the second finger. If you want 9 threes are, you have to fold the third finger. If you want 9 fours are, you have to fold the fourth finger. If you want 9 fives are, you have to fold the fifth finger. Like this, it has to go. Now let us go. I am going to find out 9 twos are. So I'm folding the second finger. Please watch carefully. I'm folding the second finger. What is here? Friends, here there is only one finger. Only one finger. Left out in the leftmost, only one finger. And after folding, you will have 8. What does this mean? 1 and folding after 8. So totally you have to call it as 18 as an answer. So 1 and 8 will give you 18. Now I'm going for 9 threes are. So now release this finger and fold the third finger. You will have 2 in this side, the leftmost side, and after folding, you will have 7 fingers in the right side. See, 27 is already in your hands. And if you go for 9 fours are, you will find 36 in your hands itself. Now this is the ice breaking. We have completed it. Now, if you have done and if you have understood, please put it in the chat box. Let us interact in the chat box. So put it in the chat box if you have understood, yes sir, or we will move to the next one. If you don't understand also, you can put it if you don't understand, whatever it is. So I just want to know your responses. Come on. Couldn't hear. Attended module, no problem, Sastika. Couldn't hear. Indu madam has a problem in audio, sir. Anybody can help her. No, we are going to give solution for all the tables. This is only an icebreaker. Thank you.
Now she's okay, sir. Now she's okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for the response. So this is all about, we are just making an ice breaking, not only for 9th table. I will give solutions for any tables. At the last, you will come to know the solution for all the tables. It is only a demo session. In this itself, you will learn a lot of things. And this is going to be an expansion and extension program in the upcoming days. And we have 3 modules. Actually, this is the demo for module 1. And in between, you will get dates for other things also. Karthik sir will announce you. So now I'm going to the second one. If you understand this one, then we will go for the second thing. Yes, thank you very much. So it's clear now, right? So straight away for kids, if they want to take 9 8s, very simple. They can just fold the 8th finger and get the answer immediately instead of telling the table from the first to the last. For example, if they have to tell 9 1s or 9 2s or 9 3s or like that, it will be quite boring for them. Instead of, they can just fold the 8th table and find out, and immediately they can take the answer. Thank you. Friends, this is okay. Now we are moving to the next one. Okay. Thank you. So the name of this program, as we designed, is Max or Magic, because it is like a magic. You can solve the problems within 2 seconds, 1 second, like that. Even if you don't know the tables, even if you don't know anything, you can start from the scratch and you can be solving all the problems within 2 seconds or 3 seconds, like that. So let us go together. So if you want, you can write the topic. We are going topic by topic. The first one is multiplication by 11. The first one is multiplication by 11. Friends, how we are going to do, I will show you. So this is the number which we are going to multiply, that is 23 into 11. So 23 into 11, we are going to crack it within 2 seconds. Is it possible? I will tell you the technique. After that, you can also solve it within 2 seconds. So first, what you have to do, you have to get down these 3 first. That is the answer. Straight away, we are going for the answer. Have you seen that we are not using any multiplication tables here? Yes or no? Yes. We are not using any multiplication tables, but we are straight away going to write the answer. The first one is, we are going to get down the 3 and write the 3 as answer in the right side. And then we are going to check out what is next to 3. So next to 3 is 2. So add this 3 along with the 2 and tell me the answer. For example, now 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? Any child can say, even a first standard child can add and tell the answer. So what is the answer for this one? 5. Now you can see only one number left out in the last. That also you should not forget to get it down. So what is the last number here? The last number is 2. So we are going to get down that number. And this is the answer. No multiplication table. Nothing is here. We have done it. This is all about this one. So would like to get your responses. And we have some more exercise to go. How do you feel about this one? You can put it in the chat box. Would like to hear from all of the participants how it goes on. Are you able to understand any difficulties with this? Yes, thank you. So now I'm going to give you one model sum that you are going to solve it within few seconds and you are going to put it in the chat box. Let us see how it goes on. Come on, do it. Some more are coming in the chat box. Easy and understandable, sir. Thank you for keeping demo. Yes, thank you very much. We will go. We will see a lot of things now. So come on, my dear guys, do this and put it in the chat box immediately. The same way which I taught you. Do it mentally. Don't take the pen. It is not necessary for you to take the pen. I can see the responses now itself. People are coming. Thank you very much. There is a correct answer. Yes, correct answer. That's a correct answer. Thank you. So that is a correct answer. Thank you very much. Would like to remember the session will be like this only. That is why how we teach in the way for the 2 days. That is the demo will also be in the same way. We will interact and we will not even leave a single participant not understanding anything and going out of that. So we will check out each and everybody's difficulty and we will be helping you how to crack this one. And we will find out how to give you solutions also. We will be carrying you all along the program. Don't worry. So this is how the program will be going on interactively. We will always have a discussion with you in the chat box, and we will check out whether you have understand the basics, and then we will move to the next one. And also I would like to show you the demonstration. For example, you have worked this and you have got the answer, but some of you may be struggling a little bit, but I'm going to anyway run the slide and you will find out how it can be done. So it is very easy for you. Even if you have missed that or something is wrong with your answer, you can check out how you can solve this problem. So I'm going to run the slide. Please watch out if you want. So now what are we going to do? You know it very well. We are going to get down this 5 first and put it here. Right. So what is the number next to 5? You know that very well, 4. Now add this 4 along with 5 and you will get 9. And what is the last number? You know that is 4, and get down 4 here. So 495 is the answer. So all of you have done it very well already. Now we are going for the next one. So friends, please be ready. So I have given you a big task. It doesn't mean it is a big task because now you know how to solve this problem. Come on, do it and put it in the chat box. See, only one thing I have taught you, you are able to do all the other things. That is the power of this learning. And it is really learning, right? You are able to do that. Only just by getting one input, you are able to do all the other things, right? That is learning. That is learning. So thank you very much, friends, for your responses. I would like to check most of you are already pushing your answers here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe missing one. 498 only. I have seen 3 responses. What other people are doing really? Yes, thank you. I'm watching you. Very easy. It is okay. But what about other people? They can yes, now only the answer is coming. Now you can see some of them have missed 1 digit. That is also okay, but no problem. Anyway, I'm going to run this so you can check out how this goes on. What are you missing? Don't worry about the mistakes. We are going to correct everything. That is what I told you. You work on that. And again, I'm going to run the slide so you will come to know what is the mistake you have done that now. So friends, this is all about this one. Yes, see here, we are going to get it down. The first 2. What is near to 2 is 3. So add the 2 and 3 and you will get 5 here. And what is the number next to 2? 3 is 5. So add 3 and 5 and you will get 8 here. And what is the number next to 5? It is 4, and add 5 and 4 and you will get 9 here. And never forget to get the last number, which is 4 here. And you can find it out. Some of you have missed one number between that 8 and 5. Nothing to worry about that, because this is the first time you are dealing with a very big number. I would like to appreciate for your try, and you can correct your mistakes now thereof where you have done it. So everything is over. And a last challenge is waiting for you, my dear friends. Let us go. I think you have posted. Never worry about the mistake. I have seen your postings there. I didn't comment on that because when I do this, you will find out what is the mistake you have done and now you can correct it. Now we will go to the last challenge. I would like all of you to come out of the chat box, whether you are wrong or right or whatever it may be. like to hear from you, that is okay. But I would like to go for the next one. Yes, 2-5 will not come. So Swastika, 2-5 and all will not come. Get the help of your parents. You can add. I will tell you how to do this. You should add it from the right to the left. I think you have made it from the left to the right. Oh, I understand how this answer comes for you. You have made it from left to right instead of right to left. So if you take that, no sorry at all. No sorry at all. That is what I told you. We are here to correct our mistakes, never ask sorry. All of this is going to be corrected. And when I say the final answer, you are going to check out whether you are right or not. If it is wrong, then you are going to learn what is right, and no sorry, no excuses. Because you are trying, I would like to appreciate for your effort. Very, very simple. Now the last challenge is ready for you. Swastika, you have to go from the right to the left, but you have to write the answer from the left to the right as usual. That is the only thing. Your answer is correct, but you are taken away and written method is from right to left. Instead of that, you have to write just left to right. As if you see from the picture, you have to write 49852. That is the answer. Okay, good. Now we are going for the last model, which I would like to say. Come on, my dear friends, get ready for this and do it. And put the answer in the chat box. See, it is unbelievable now. You see how many digits are there. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there, and it will take 3 lines for you to complete when you go for normal multiplication. But now it is possible for you to solve this within 2 or 3 seconds, and you have done it within a single line. That's very important to observe. Right. So I see some of the responses from the chat box. Would like to hear from you. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, of course. Yes, yes. Please be careful with the digits. Sometimes you may be missing 1 or 2. Yes, but anyway, I'm going to run the slide. I'm not going to comment anything on this one. So you don't ask any sorry because you have tried it very well. Now I'm going to run the slide. You check out whether your answer is correct or not. And when I run the slide also, you will understand what is the mistake you have done. That is okay. That you correct your mistake. That is okay. No sorry and all. Right. Now I'm going to run this slide. You can find out what is the thing or what is correct and how to learn this one. Ready for that. So now let us get down these 2 as usual. And then what is next to 2 is 3. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5 here. And then what is next to 3 is 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 here. And then what is next to 5? 5 next to 5 is 4. So add that and you will get 9 here. And next to 4 is 2. So add that and you will get 6 here. And next to 2 is 3. So add that and you will get 5 here. And again next to 3 is 2. So again 1 more 5 will be coming. And in the last, don't miss to get the last number, that is 2. So totally all the numbers are present. Now check out your answers and everything will be okay. Even if you are wrong, now you have understood what is correct and you can do it. Friends, there are so many variations. There are magics of 1. There are many 11 multiplication with the carry, without carry, 111 multiplication, 111 equal side. There are so many models present in this one particular thing. Just we have shown you a demo, which you may think it is impossible for you to tell the answer even without taking a pen. Now you can understand the power of speed mathematics, that you can tell the answer even without taking a pen. So this is how this goes on. Okay, thank you. I would like to get your responses because this is the last sum we have done for 11 and we are going for the next model now. So how was that? How do you feel about this one? And I would like to go for the next one. Please chat your responses in the chat box.
Indi ma'am, wow, அனுப்பியிருக்காங்க.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very easy. So responses, I'm not asking you answers. My dear friends, responses mean how do you feel about these sums? That is responses. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Anyway, we are grateful for you and you are thankful to us. That is okay. But how do you feel about this one? That is your feelings. Normally people hate mathematics. This too, somebody would have compelled you. Correct. So this is what we would like to know from you. That is why I'm asking again and again. Okay. You love mathematics. Huh? Very good. Very good. So for you, it will be quite easier more than other people are struggling all of. So learn it. Okay, friends, now we will go to the next model. Completely different from this one. Then this part is over. I told you there are more than 7 to 8 expansion for this particular model. Now we are going for the next model now. Okay. Now please watch out the slides. We are going for the next model. So multiplication by 9 digits are equal. That is the topic. Please put the topic. Multiplication by 9 digits are equal. So we would like to multiply this particular thing in 1 second. Is it possible? 1 second. Okay, let me give you 2 seconds. Is it possible? Only 2 seconds. Is it possible? It is going to be possible after I tell you. You will solve it before 2 seconds also. So now let me tell you what is the technique behind this. So let us go for this one. You are going to solve this sum within 1 second, or it will take only 2 seconds, even for children, even for people who don't know any multiplication, and even for people, yes sir, it is real. Even without knowing the multiplication table, we are able to solve this problem. That is the magic. So we call it as max or magic. This is multiplication, right, my dear friends? We are not going to multiply, but we are going to get the answer. So how we are going to do that? Let us check it out. 23 minus 1. Oh, what a great sum, right? Anybody can say it, right? So what is 23 minus 1? You will get 22 here. So 23 minus 1, 22 will get only half second for you. Get this 22 under this 99 or behind this 99 and again subtract. Very simple, right? 9 minus 2 will give you 7. Again 9 minus 2 will give you 7. So the sum is over. Would like to repeat or would like to repeat? If you want, I will do it, because this is a very important sum. After this, there are so many expansions for this sum, and this is the base for many sums. So this particular model is very important. So 23 minus 1 will give you 22, and bring that 22 behind that 99 and again subtract it from 99. So 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 2, 7. Totally you will get 77 here. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. So now let us go to the next one. Would like to get your responses. That's always important. How do you feel? How it works on? Only 2 seconds to solve this problem. Yes, we want to minus 1. Only that minus 1. Even if the digits are high, we have to do the same thing. That is what we are going to do. Okay. Thank you. So now, my dear friends, we are going to do this. And now it is all for you. You are going to solve the next problems. Come on, do it and put it in the chat box. 35 into 99, you are going to solve within 1 second. That too, it is very, you mentally, you can say the answer just by seeing this. But anyway, some kids are there. I will give some time for them. Solve that and put it in the chat box. Would like to hear from you. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, very good. How come that 6 in the last? Mini Grace, please correct it. Anyway, I am going to run. Maybe a typing mistake. Okay, let us see how it goes on. No problem. So what is here? 35 is here. So subtract 1 from 35. What will you get? So 35, subtract 1 from 35, you will get 34. Bring this 34 behind that 99. So what will you get? 99 minus 34. 9 minus 4, 5, and 9 minus 3, 6. So totally you will get 65. That's the answer. So 3465 is the answer. My dear friends, I'm going to increase one number. Don't be afraid. It is also the same method as if you have worked on. We are going for the next sum. So see, this is the sum. Don't worry. The procedure, everything is same. I leave it to you. Complete it and put it in the chat box. This is how it works on the same procedures, same methodology. 235 into 999. You are going to subtract one from the left side number and you are going to get it behind the 999 and putting the answers. I see some responses here in the chat box. Would like to see that. Very happy. Thank you. What is Kaja asking? Kaja, can you unmute and ask me? Unmute yourself and ask me the question. I can explain. Because it is 100, we are multiplying. Let me tell you, I understand your question because we are multiplying by 99. So 1 is less than 100. So we are subtracting it by 1. So that is the point, Ma. I think you understand. So if we are multiplying by 999 also, it is less than 1. So we are subtracting it by 1. Why we are subtracting by 1? If that is the question that you are asking, I can tell you that 999 is near to 100. That means 1 reduced. So that 1 is to be subtracted to get the result. That is the explanation for that one. Got the point? I think so. Now please put the responses. I have answered your question in the query.
Okay.
Thank you. I think you, Kaja sir. Hello.
Sorry, sir, there is a disturbance.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you anyway. Thank you. But we got the responses for the answers. So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then bringing that answer behind the 999, you will get what? 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, and 9 minus 2, 7. So this is the total answer, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5. So good to see you all because all of your answers are correct. Okay, friends, now let us go to the next one. Is this possible within 2 seconds? Yes, this is also possible within 2 seconds. Crack it down and put it in the chat box. Hi, I'm going to see who is going to come first in the chat box. Yes, somebody is already there. Thank you. Thank you for the responses. Yes, it is possible to solve within 2 seconds. But even if you write it, it will take 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Am I right or not? Really? Even if it is writing, it will take 4 seconds or 4 seconds. But mentally solving, it will take only 2 seconds for you, my dear friends. That is the greatest thing that you can ever learn from this technique. Would like to run the slide. If somebody is having any doubt, they can watch the slide so they can understand it very well. So now we are going to subtract 4567 minus 1. So you will get 4566 and get it behind 4566 and you will get the answers for this one. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Check your answers. Maybe wrong, maybe right. You have a very good try. And if you are if you have mistaken somewhere else, you can correct it and learn it. That's it. This model is also over and we are going for the final model. And all other things we will join together in the expansion and extension program. And Tamila Karthik sir will give you the dates for that. So magic of 1, this is the third topic which we are going to cover today. Okay, so this is the topic which we are going to cover today. Okay, friends, let us go like this. So let us check this multiplication. So what is behind this one? There are 5 ones in the left side and 5 ones in the right side. How to solve this within 1 second or 2 seconds? We have to ask 3 important questions to solve this problem. Okay, so we have to ask 3 important questions to solve this problem. So I'm going to ask all the 3 questions so that you can understand. The very first question is, how many digits are there? including the left side and the right side. You have to count it down and tell the answer. Now don't put it in the chat box. Please listen carefully. Don't go anywhere else. Don't get distracted, so that in the very first round you can easily understand how it goes on. So we have 5 digits in the left side and we have 5 digits in the right side. Now add these 5 digits and add that 5 digits until the total number of digits. I will help you. So the total number of digits is equal to 10. Now subtract 1 from the total number of digits, you will get the answer line. Now, for example, if you have find out the answer for this one, and the answer line should be 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. What is the purpose of telling this? For this sum, it is not necessary actually, but for the upcoming expansion and extension sum, that answer line is very, very important. For particularly saying this particular sum does not require this information in the second question, but the third question is very important. What is the third question we would like to ask? So what is the minimum number on either side? This sum has 5 in the left and 5 in the right, which means both are equal. So you can take any one of the numbers. Either you can take this 5 or either you can take that 5. So any one 5 is always correct. So you can tell minimum number as 5. Okay, so what is the meaning for this? I will tell you. You can go up to 5. You can go up to 5. So go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse it 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the answer. So in this sum, the digits are equal on both the sides. So any one side you can tell as minimum digit, that is 5. You can go up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse it 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the answer. How do you feel about this one? Please put it in the chat box. So we have, I told you, we have expansion alone. We have more than 8 to 9 models for these ones. You may think the 1 is a very simple number, but 1 is not a very simple number. There are many things under 1. We are going to solve it everything in the expansion program. But I would like to hear you from for this one, please. So how is it? How do you feel about this one? Answer. I am not asking answer because I have explained to you the answer. I would like to get the responses. What is this? What do you feel about this model? Like that, I'm asking. Only if you are answering. Other people, are you there? Yes. So please, yes, thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. So now I'm going to give you 1 or 2 exercises. Yes, this is how we go on. So it is always good to get responses. Even if you don't understand, the same way you are going to express, sir, I don't understand. So I will go further repeat. So this is how we are going to interact because this is a virtual class. So you have to express all of your ideas. How do you feel? What is your difficulty? Everything in the chat box only. So that is why I'm waiting for you and I'm watching your things in the chat box. Thank you, my dear friends. Now I would like to go for one more exercise and we will complete this and then we will finish it off. So this is very huge, very large. You feel so? No, nothing to worry about that. The same thing you are going to follow. There are 9 digits in the left and there are 9 things in the right. You are going to ask the same 3 important questions. Question number 1, how many digits are there totally? So this side we have 9 digits and the right side we have 9 digits. So add those two digits and you can tell the answer as 18. Now please don't put it your answers in the chat box. Please listen. Because once you understand, you can answer any type of questions like that. Now it is time to interact with the trainer and then let us together be in the chat box afterwards. So now the second question you are going to ask is how many digits are there, and the answer line simply subtract this 18 by 1 and you would get the answer as 17. And the third important question you are going to ask is which side has minimum numbers. According to this sum, both the sides have equal digits, so you can say any one of the digits as minimum digits. For example, you can say the left side digit or you can say the right side digit. So here 9 digits are there, so you can say as 9. What is the meaning for this? I have already told you can go up to 9. So come on, go up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and reverse it. You will getting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is all about this one. So this is all about this one, my dear friends. So this is a demo session. This has a lot of expansion. We are going to solve cubes, 2-digit cubes. assume 92 into 92 into 92 is there, or assume like this 22 into 22 into 22 is there. You are going to solve within 2 seconds. You will not believe. People who have attended, you ask them, they will tell, and you attend and you will come to know it is possible. Okay, so all expansion things, squares, square roots, cube roots, everything, it is coming in module 1 and module 2, and maybe arranging for one more module 2 demo also. I don't know, we have to ask it to Karthik sir, but this module, this particular demo program will help you how this program will be, because you may not have an idea about this program. Now you will get this is the style of this program. We will be interacting with you. You will be putting very much busy with your work, and you will be putting all the answers in the chat box, and we will be always with you, watching your difficulties, and we will be helping you until you learn this. We will be with you, and you are going to be a very good learner thereof. My all the best to you, my very best wishes to you, and we are going for the responses, and I would like to hand over this session to Tamila Karthik sir for further proceedings. Thank you very much for your kind patience and listening.
Thank you, participants. Thank you, Thangavel Raj sir, for this wonderful input of whatever you have. And as usual, you are rocking the floor.
Thank you, sir.
The way you are handling, அதாவது ஒரு கதை எனக்கு டக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது. ஒருத்தர் வந்து ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்க ஒரு இடத்துக்கு பேசுறதுக்காக வர்றாரு. பேசுறதுக்கு வந்தனே அவருக்கு முன்னாடி பேசும்போதுல 500 பேருக்கு நீங்க பேசணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கூப்பிடுறாங்க. அவரும் நிறைய ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும்னு வந்திருக்காரு. வந்து பார்த்தா இங்க 50 பேர் தான் இருந்திருக்காங்க. 50 பேருக்கு பார்த்தனே 50 பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு டக்குனு இது மட்டும் பேசிட்டு போனாராம். உடனே அங்க இருக்கிறவங்க சொன்னாங்க, ஓகே நம்ம இவரை இனிமேல் கூப்பிடக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி விட்டுட்டாங்க. இவருக்கு ஏன்னே புரியவே இல்லை. இன்னொருத்தர் அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கரை கூப்பிடுறாங்க. அவருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி 500 பேர் இருக்காங்கன்னு சும்மா காட்சி சொல்லி இருக்காங்க. ஆனா இருந்த 50 பேர் தான். அவர் என்ன ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணாரோ ஹோல் டைமிங்கை யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணி அந்த டெலிவரி பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாராம். அதே மாதிரி அவர் ட்ரைனர்ஸ் வித்வுட் சீயிங் தி நம்பர் ஆஃப் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் தி சேம் கண்டென்ட். இப்ப நீங்க இதே ப்ரோக்ராம் எங்களோட போன வார ப்ரோக்ராம் என்னோட Facebook லைவ்ல இருக்கும். அதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா சேம் கண்டென்ட் வித்தியாசப்பட்டு புது கண்டென்ட்டா மாறிட்டே இருக்கு. இந்த சேம் டெடிகேஷன் லெவல் அப்படிங்கிறது ட்ரைனர் சார் கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஹாப்பி டு see that. And participants, now it is a time for you to tell who are all interested to join our extended program. You can post in the chat box who are ready. Before we are announcing the payment, yes, Swastika, you are ready for Model A. Who have attended already Model B, she is ready for Model A. And third standard la எனக்கு எங்க அம்மா மொபைலே யூஸ் பண்ண கொடுத்தது கிடையாது. Now Swastika is being live. இப்ப மத்தியானத்துல இருந்து நாங்க 3வது ப்ரோக்ராம் இது பண்ணிருக்கோம். 3 ப்ரோக்ராம்ல ஸ்வஸ்திகா இருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்பீட் ரீடிங் ப்ரோக்ராம், அடுத்து ஸ்போக்கன் ஹிந்தி ப்ரோக்ராம். நவ இட் இஸ் ஸ்பீட் மேக்ஸ் மேஜிக் அப்படின்னு நாங்க சொல்லுவோம். So where people who are all ready can post in the chat box. The fee for this program will be 350. So in the 350 program fee-ல நீங்க ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நாளைக்கு இல்ல ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுங்க. இல்ல அப்படினா the fee will be increased to 400. So we expect you to register as soon as possible. வேற participants இருக்காது உங்களுக்கு queries about the program, like வேற கான்செப்ட்ஸ், இந்த கான்செப்டோட டிஸ்கஷன்னா நம்ம ஃபர்தரா அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஏன்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் a one day program, it is not a 1 hour program, it is totally 5 hours program. இந்த 5 hours ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுக்கு தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த 350. இந்த 5 ஹவர்ஸ்ல இப்போ ஒரு 1 hour முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் day 1 of training you will be having 2 days program, and day 2 of training you will be having another 2 hours program. This is our business model, like maths magic program model. So the program is organized by 2 team. இந்த ரெண்டு டீமும் எப்படின்னா நாங்க ஜாயின் பண்ண நேரத்துல இருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் பிசிக்கலா மீட் பண்ணது 1 or 2 times தான். பட் விர்ச்சுவலா எவ்ரிடே நானும் தமிழரசன் அண்ட் நந்தினி மீட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். டெய்லி பேசிக்கிறோம். நைட்டு 11 மணி வரைக்கும் சில நேரம் உட்காந்து லைவ்ல பேசிக்கிறோம். எங்களோட நிறைய இதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நிறைய இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற ட்ரைனர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு கொலாபரேட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். வித்வுட் லைக் நான் இதுல பெஸ்ட், நீ இதுல பெஸ்ட், நான் என்னோட நீ நல்லா பண்றியா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு காம்படிஷனே இல்லாம கொலாபரேஷனா we people are working. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு நேரத்துல இந்த லைவ்ல பாத்துக்க பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் அனைவரும் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல பெனிஃபிட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த லைவ்ல பாத்துக்க இருக்கவங்களுக்கு கமெண்ட்ல தமிழரசன் இப்போ அவங்களோட கான்டாக்ட் டீடைல்ஸ் போடுவாங்க. எங்க 2 பேரோட கான்டாக்ட் டீடைல்ஸ் you can even watch contact us for any of your queries. We are eager to help you. And for upcoming project also, you can contact me or Tamilarasan. We'll be adding you in the WhatsApp group where you'll be getting the information about all the upcoming training programs.
Sir, one important thing I would like to convey to the students. So friends, you have attended the demo. If you bring other students tomorrow, they will also be touching all the things which you have shown it in the demo. So don't worry, if they have missed the demo even, they can also come and join for the same program, because whatever we have, they have missed it today, that will also be as a coverage program, that they will also come to know what we have taught in the demo program. So no need to worry about that. They can connect the today's program along with the first day program, and it will be going for the 2 days. And as you said, told, it is a 2 hours program, and it will be extending daily at least half an hour, and it will also be happening. I am telling at least half an hour, and sir knows it very well how long it is extending. So thank you very much, sir. Now, because they may think that if we bring the student, they may miss the demo class now. We will be covering all the things which you have taught in the today's demo session also. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Please take
what about Indu, ma'am? You can contact Nandini for the further process. You can share your feedback or something.
I'm interested. Actually, I'm interested for my daughter only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, this class is very nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. But you can learn and you can teach it to your daughter, man. Some of the parents are doing it the same way. That also you can.
No, she's old enough to learn by herself. I can make her sit along with me. She was sitting along with me for this class. She was interested and she wanted to learn for this class.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your nice words. So we expect all your participants to contact the representative who brought you for this program.
Sure.
For the person who are watching on live, you will be getting the contact details in the command line. So we expect you to pay the fee before tomorrow evening 7 p.m. by the same time. So with this few words, we are able to thank you. Tamil, you can give your closing remarks and we will wind up the program.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Thangavel Raj sir. Welcome போல பொறுமையா வந்து எல்லாருக்குமே explain பண்ணி you have made it huge it, and thank you all the participants, all those who have come as repeated participant and all those who have come as new. உங்களுக்காக இருந்தாலும் சரி இல்ல உங்களுடைய friends இல்ல யாருக்காக வந்தாலும் சரி, those who have come, thank you so much. And before I sign off, Karthik கை தூக்கி இருக்காரு. I am unmuting you, Karthik. You can. Karthik not there. Where is he? Yes, பேசலாம் Karthik. You want to share something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Karthik, have you attended our Speed Max already?
Sir?
You have attended the
ஏற்கனவே அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
எந்த பேட்ச்?
Sir, now only I joined the meeting, sir.
Okay, have you attended our previous program yesterday or last week?
No, sir. No, sir. Today only.
Okay, will you ask your parents to ask you to உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ்ட்ட போய் இந்த ப்ரோகிராம்ல நான் ஜாயின் பண்ண போறேன் அப்படினு சொல்லி இப்ப கேப்பீங்களா?
Join, sir. Yes, sir.
So இன்னைக்கு நடந்த ப்ரோகிராம் மாதிரியே அடுத்து ஒரு 4 hours கண்டினியூஸா நமக்கு நடக்க போகுது. உங்க பேரண்ட்ட போய் இந்த ப்ரோகிராம் நீங்க உங்களுக்கு என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லுங்க. So that நீங்க என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ணீங்கன்னு அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்க, ஓகே பிள்ளைங்க எல்லாம் மொபைல் முன்னாடி எப்பவும் போல கேம்ஸ் விளையாடுற மாதிரி மொபைல் வச்சு உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க. வெபினார்ல அப்படிதான் நிறைய நடந்துக்குது. நிறைய பேரண்ட்ஸ் நாங்க பேரண்டிங் கைட்லைன்ஸ் கொடுக்கும் போதுல அதுதான் நடக்குது. சரி என்ன சார் முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து விளையாண்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க, இப்ப மொபைல் முன்னாடியே உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க, என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது, திடீர்னு சிரிக்கிறாங்க, திடீர்னு உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பேரண்ட்ஸ் கேக்குறாங்க. So for all the parents who are watching here or in the live, I can say this generation people are going in a good way. நம்ம அவங்களுக்கான பாதைகள் கொடுக்கறது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கறான ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியை கிரியேட் பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லுவோம். நாங்க எங்களோட இந்த அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாங்க போட்ட வேர்டு கிஃப்ட் யுவர் சைல்டு அப்படின்னு தான் போட்டிருக்கோம். உங்க குழந்தைகளுக்கு இந்த ஒர்க்கை, இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட ஒரு கிஃப்டா நீங்க எடுத்து கொடுங்க. இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல இந்த குவாரண்டைன் பீரியட்ல டெஃபினெட்லி. ஏன்னா ஒரு 21 நாள் நம்ம கண்டினியூஸா ஒரு பழக்கம் பண்ணோம், அது அப்படின்னா ஹேபிட் ஆகும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே 21 நாள் ஒரு இதை பண்ணாம இருந்தாலும் அது ஹேபிட் ஆயிரும். இப்ப ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 21 நாள் கண்டினியூஸா பல் விளக்காம இருங்க, 22ஆம் தேதி உங்களுக்கு விளக்கணும்னே தோணாது. சோ இவ்வளவு நாள் நம்ம பிள்ளைங்க வந்து வீட்டுல உட்காந்துருக்காங்க, படிக்காம உட்காந்துருக்காங்க, ஸ்கூலே மறந்து இருக்கிற சிச்சுவேஷன்ல இருக்கு. சோ அப்படி இல்லாம லேர்னிங் ஃபோக்கஸ்டா இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறதா எங்களோட எல்லா ட்ரைனிங்கும் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்களுக்கு எந்த வகையில யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற லேர்னிங் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனா கொடுத்துருக்கோம். பேரண்ட்ஸ் who are watching, teachers who are watching, hope you'll be understanding what we are trying to convey to the society. So we are waiting for your session. Thank you all.
Yes, thank you all. Let's close for today. Meet you all in the actual workshop. MC Thamarasan signing off along with Tamara Karthik and Mr. Thangavel Raj sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.